Life has a way of pulling us in all directions. The endless to-do lists, buzzing notifications, and constant stress make it feel impossible to find a moment of peace. For years, I struggled with the same feeling, mentally exhausted, emotionally drained, and unable to focus. It was as though my mind was running a marathon I never signed up for. Sound familiar? But here's the secret: the calm and clarity you crave are closer than you think. The solution isn't a fancy gadget, an expensive course, or even hours of free time. It's a simple practice that takes just a few minutes a day: mindfulness meditation. And trust me, it's life-changing. The pain point: a mind that never rests. Before discovering mindfulness meditation, my days felt chaotic. I couldn't focus, my stress levels were through the roof, and falling asleep was a nightly battle. It wasn't just the external pressures, my own thoughts were my biggest enemy. Overthinking, self-doubt, and a constant sense of not enough ruled my mind. You've probably been there too, feeling like your brain won't shut off, even when you desperately need a break. The worst part: most of us never stop to think about how we can take back control of our minds. The breakthrough moment: discovering mindfulness. One day, a friend casually mentioned mindfulness meditation. At first, I was skeptical. Sitting still and focusing on my breath, it sounded too simple to work, but desperation led me to try it. And here's the surprising part: it wasn't just about sitting in silence. Mindfulness taught me how to be present, to observe my thoughts without judgment, and to breathe through moments of stress. Within a few weeks, I noticed profound changes. My anxiety started to fade. I could focus on tasks without my mind wandering every 5 seconds. I finally felt a sense of peace, even during chaotic days. The solution: how to start mindfulness meditation. Here's how you can begin. Find a quiet space. Sit somewhere you won't be disturbed. No need for a fancy setup. Your couch or bed works just fine. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Observe your thoughts. Don't fight your thoughts or try to silence them. Instead, acknowledge them and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Start small. Begin with just 5 minutes a day. Gradually increase the time as it becomes part of your routine. The secret no one tells you. Here's what most people don't realize: mindfulness isn't about fixing your mind, it's about understanding it. It's a practice of self-compassion, where you learn to accept your thoughts and emotions without letting them control you. The results speak for themselves. Mindfulness meditation has transformed my mental health in ways I never thought possible. I'm calmer, more focused, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. And the best part: it's accessible to everyone, no matter how busy or stressed you are.